Going to show you a quick leak detection that we did. Sent one of our guys over there. Spent a day and a half on this pool. One of the things that we teach you is make sure it's leaking. Make sure it's leaking. Customers said this thing was dropping. However, after doing a complete leak detection, walking the pool, looking at absolutely everything, checking returns, all fittings, everything that we teach in leak detection, shut it off. And we had approximately 1/8 of an inch drop in 2 days. High, crazy evaporation rates that we have out here in California this time of year. However, we stumbled upon an issue where this pool had, and many of them do out here, have an autofill that might be tied into an irrigation type system. Check it out and see how we got it done.
So we did this leak detection. I'm going to show you pictures of what we did. We're finding no leaks in the pool. We have no leaks, but the customer told us of some symptoms, and the symptoms were, it just seemed like the pool was losing water more towards the end of the week. When we did our leak tests, we found no leaks whatsoever. What we also noticed is we have crazy evaporation. It's 105 degrees right now. I'm in Southern California, and so we typically have 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch max. That's a lot, but we get crazy evaporation over here. What we did notice was when I walked up on the job is this. It was sitting just like this. So this is an autofill for the pool that they have running off of this clock. We looked at the programming, and they even have it labeled. Check it out. Pool autofill is number 9. So that's what it says. So when we go to program 9, we see that this thing runs for 4 minutes a day, 3 days a week to make up for makeup water due to evaporation loss. However, when we got here, this wire was just sitting right off of here. So the whole moral of this story is open your eyes. When you're doing these leak detections, it all comes into play. You got to keep your eyes open. You got to pay attention to all of this stuff.
So as I teach in our online training about the 45-minute rule, we might have stuck close to it. We probably spent, as far as trips are concerned, we spent about a day and a half on this pool, meaning we weren't there a full day and a half. However, we probably spent over our 45-minute rule, and that rule is that if you don't find a leak with our equipment in the first 45 minutes, stop, take it, reassess everything, look at what you did already, mark the pool, and come back the next day. That's what we did. That's how we wound up figuring out that this pool is not losing water. Chasing a leak that doesn't exist will make you absolutely crazy. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.